When people are buying solar, one of the questions they ask is, how fast will my system pay for itself? Well, let me ask you this. How fast will your electricity bill be paid off? If your electricity bill was a loan, when would it be paid off? The answer is never, right? In fact, it's actually worse than never. Not only is your electricity bill a bill that will never be paid off, it's a bill that actually goes up every year. In some areas like California, it goes up 5 to 10% a year. Across the country, on average, the increase is around 3 to 4%, which means over a 20-year period of time, your monthly bill will more than double. For example, a $100 bill today is actually $148 a month 10 years from now, or $220 per month 20 years from now. You'll be paying $2,600 a year for electricity compared to the $1,200 a year you're paying today. Imagine if your credit card bills worked like that, or your mortgage worked like that. If your mortgage was never ever paid off, and in fact, it was more 10 years from now, or what if your payment doubled 20 years from now? It would make it impossible to get ahead. That's why you can never get ahead of your utility bills. Let me say it this way. If you're replacing a bill that can never get paid off with a smaller bill that will be paid off, is that a good return? Is a bill that can be paid off in 20 years a good return? Is a bill that can be paid off 10 or 15 years from now a good return? How about 6 years or less? Would that be a good return? You see, this opens up a whole different kind of conversation. Really, the conversation is it worth it? I like to think that even if we replace your bill with an even bill that just doesn't go up, that would be worth it. That is to say, if we replace a $100 electricity bill with an alternative bill that is also exactly $100, but this new bill for solar was guaranteed to never go up in price. Even if you never paid off this new bill, you would be ahead, wouldn't you? Because while your electricity bill continues to rise by 4% every year, your solar payment would stay the same. That's how solar works. Not only does the price of solar ownership never go up, in fact, the bill will eventually be paid off. And we're replacing dirty power with clean power. How much would you have to save before you were motivated to switch to a clean power source? Put in your email below and let's get started. Or you can simply call the number on the screen. We'd love to help you go solar today.